If you throw away an old, broken flip-flop, it's just like throwing away a hidden treasure, a treasure most people never even realize they have. Today, I'll show you step by step how to turn this worn-out flip-flop into something truly useful, something that can actually make your daily work easier. Step 1. Prepare one old flip-flop and wash it thoroughly until it's completely clean. This cleaning process is very important, not only to remove the dirt and dust stuck to the rubber surface, but also to make the final result of the tool we're about to create look much neater and more appealing. Next, cut both sides of the sandal's sole, leaving the center part intact. Shape the cut into a neat rectangle so it looks clean and balanced. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments below. It's amazing to see how we can all connect with each other from all around the world. Then, prepare a PVC pipe and measure about 10 centimeters in length. Cut 2 equal pieces from it. These pipe sections will become an essential part of the tool we're going to create. For the diameter, I'm using a used PVC pipe with a 1/2 inch size. But if you don't have that, you can also use a 3/4 inch pipe. The most important thing is to avoid using one that's too large, so the result stays neat and well proportioned. Next, cut the pipe according to the size we prepared earlier. Adjust the width to match the thickness of the sandal sole, not too wide and not too tight. Make sure it fits perfectly, because this pipe will become an essential part of the tool we're about to create. Once you've finished cutting the pipe, prepare a T-shaped pipe connector. Make sure its diameter matches the pipe you've just cut. Then, insert the 2 pipe pieces into the right and left sides of the T-connector until they fit firmly in place. Next, take the sandal sole we cut earlier and place it against the pipe. This step helps ensure a more accurate and precise measurement. Once it's properly aligned, mark the center with a marker and cut along the line you've made. Precise measurements will give you a clean and impressive result. After cutting, take the prepared pipe pieces and attach the sandal sole to them. Keep in mind, flip-flop soles are made from rubber foam, a waterproof material, which makes them perfect for this tool. Next, connect the pipes to the T-joint. You can adjust the pipe length as you like, longer or shorter, depending on your needs. To make sure the sandal stays firmly attached, apply some glue around the edges for extra strength and durability. I have a warehouse building and at the front, there's a glass window. As you can see, the glass looks really dirty and makes the place look less appealing. This usually happens because of dust buildup and splashes of rainwater. Now, the tool we just made can be used to clean glass windows or doors just like this. What's amazing is, this tool works just like the one sold in stores, but it's even more special because we made it ourselves using recycled materials that most people would simply throw away. It works the same, gives the same results, but the best part is, you don't have to spend a lot of money to have one. If the dirty glass area is too high to reach, you can simply replace the handle with a longer pipe. This way, the tool can be used in both short and extended modes. It's flexible, practical, and makes cleaning glass windows or doors much easier. No need to climb up and down a ladder anymore. And now, the warehouse window is clean again. It looks so much brighter and more appealing. The result is truly satisfying, especially knowing we did it using a simple homemade tool. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We've got plenty of creative ideas coming your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Your support really motivates us to keep creating more exciting and inspiring content. Share this idea with your friends or family. It might come in handy for them someday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.